Say it again.
Hey guys, it's me. Today we're gonna go shopping and then gonna go eat at one crab. Yeah, it's gonna be a wonderful day. Make sure to enjoy the vlog and like on the videos. Yeah.
And what up? It's been a while since I recorded anything, and today I just want to welcome you back to my channel. So I want to say hi to Kiwi. Hi, Kiwi. Hi, darling. How you doing? Today I'm going to try to redraw this picture that my friend asked me to redraw. It is this. Let's turn on the light. Let's see. There we go. See? Need to redraw this thing. I'm gonna try to draw it in on the iPad so I have, you know, better ways to edit the whole thing, and then add maybe like a wagon or something for her business. But I am waiting for my girl to get here so I can do her lashes. She hasn't texted me at all yet, so it's the waiting game. Laundry and drawing, watching some other people's vlogs. Whoa, this lighting look crazy. So I bought this light. This is like one of the ring lights. You know, when you buy things, you need to like read the description real good, because this one, I thought it had like its own stand and it just was the light. It doesn't even have like, hold on, let me turn it off. It doesn't even have the, wow, and it's hot. So it doesn't even have that cover right here that gives it a softer look. So it just came with that. This came like that. I'm gonna return it because I don't like it. So I just ended up buying that 18-inch. It's called Newer. Hold up. Might as well use it if I got it. So the lighting is better. Okay. Yeah. So I got the 18-inch Newer. Oh, that is, when the lighting's on top of your head, look like you got bags. So, and I feel like I'm cross-eyed if I'm looking at you this way. Anywho, I wanted to do like a timeline of me drawing this picture. She said she wanted it to look more, oops, shit, booby. There's no boobage. So yeah, I'm gonna draw that on my iPad using, what is that app called? Oh, totally having like a brain fart right now. Anyways, I will put that in here. My friend here wants to say hi again. Kiwi girl. So yeah, that's it for now. Just waiting for Shar and trying to kill time. Throwing a load of laundry and yeah. Well, this morning was pretty productive. I went to the gym with P. With a B. Then I went to go return some tiles that we didn't use, so got money back. And that's always a good thing. Hey girls. Hey. Alright. Hey my love. How are you? Boom, boom, boom. Hi. So, and now for laundry. To do the laundry. I'm not in a rush. Put that bitch on cold because I didn't separate anything. Choo 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 normal. Alright. Okay. So I love my bike. Check out. Zing! I wanna go riding and shit, but the weather is caca right now. Got my little cool cup holder here. Woot woot. Alright, go back inside. Ah! Shit's dark. Okay. What in the world is this? Damn it. Ow! Damn it. Another. Always. Meet Goody. Hi, Goody girl. Hi. Tell him I've been skunked. Hey, Kiwi. What y'all doing today, huh? Alright. Let me get to this drawing.
Hello? Hey, if
I
I order boiling crab, can you pick it up?
hello.
Since you're on the way?
We're in Camp
You're at Camp High right now?
Say that again.
No.
They only have wings.
No.
Let's just go to boiling crab. Come on.
Are you just gonna
Say it.
again?
Yes. Say it again.
Hey guys, it's me. Today we're gonna go shopping and then gonna go eat at Boiling Crab. Oh my god, it's gonna be a wonderful day. Make sure to enjoy the vlog and like on the videos. Yeah.
What?
How do you even know it's a vlog? Yeah. She watches YouTube. Chow down. The struggles of
Which one's
ordering.
closer to you? Capital Expressway? Capital Expressway or Kurtner? Kurtner, right?
No. Oh, they're the same. I think they're the same.
They are? Silver Creek Boiling Crab.
I think that one's closer.
Yeah, I think that one's closer to you. The other one is a little bit further. But it's closer off the freeway.
Which one?
The
Silver Creek?
Wait, no.
No. Because the other one's off the freeway also.
Oh yeah, 101. Oh, it's Silver Creek 101.
What?
Next to my favorite taco
I just want to stay here and play my game.
Look, Kiwi.
And I need an answer.
Just finished your dinner. Oh. What is more than mild?
Medium.
Oh, medium then.
Medium? What is more than mild medium?
I have to get
And then
comfortable
you have
with
a
talking
potato,
to you like this.
Okay. And then another
order.
pound of shrimp with just the
I
corn.
wish the viewfinder was on the side.
The whole shebang as well.
So I don't look like this all the time.
No, just corn. Fine. And then can I order the chicken strips and fries?
Good girl.
Do you want the 4-piece or 2-piece? The 4-piece?
Is there like a
Do you
We're
want
gonna
seasoned
pick
fries?
up dinner and do lashes.
Yeah, seasoned fries. Mild. And can I get a side of rice? And I think that's it. That should be it. It's gonna be ready in 15 minutes.
Oh, we
Wow.
must go. Hello there. On the way to Boiling Crab.
Am I going? Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging.
Vlogging. Am I going on the freeway?
Yes.
Bird.
Yes.
If you get a YouTube channel and start a vlog on it, you should name it Birdie.
Birdie vlog. I should make more channels with no videos. I have no videos.
Oh, maybe you could have a gaming channel.
A what?
I said maybe you should have a gaming channel. That'd get a lot of views.
Oh yeah, gaming channel.
Yeah, play Tetris.
Yeah, who's gonna watch that?
Someone will watch it.
I'll like and subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Mommy will like and
I get on
subscribe.
here? No.
No, I think it's okay to go to the next one.
I'm pretty sure Mommy will like and subscribe too.
I sure will. Alright.
Dinner served.
Yum. Oh gosh, I only got 10% on my. Yeah.
Wait, is that potato? Yeah, there's potato there. Potato. Nice. Let's save this bag.
Yum, look at that. What the? Corn, rice, same bag, boiling crab. What else do we need?
Yeah.
What else do we need?
I need a spoon.
Spoonful of. Look at. You smell that, Goody? Yeah. It's so funny. Time to eat.
You need a spoon
Nah.
and a fork. Your potato.
Oh yeah, maybe a fork.
I know which one you like.
Yes. And the only
Yeah,
drinks
Kiwi.
I only have this as a drink, cran mango.
You have the Tito's too?
I do. Get down there.
Oh man,
Give me
that's
a
all
drink.
bad.
I'm thirsty.
This is the only
Getting it right
drink.
now. You want that juice?
Cran mango.
Sure.
Yum.
It's like glass.
Yes. The plastic one's on top if you want to use one on top.
For Gio, yes.
Yes. Can't wait to eat that. I want a big cup. Let's grab the bird.
Mommy, look
Oh
at it.
shit.
Put your hands up. The po-po.
Put your hands up. It's the po-po. Ugh.
What, Gio want water?
No.
You want a little?
Just
Turn it. Yes.
turn the water on first?
No. Turn that one. Yeah. I don't want any ice.
The top one, right?
Yes. Okay. There's your tree. Here's my tree. Oh boy. Scoop myself in here. That's gonna be amazing.
Stealing your french fries.
Let's get ready to eat.
Yum.
Putting up my hair. Water. Wow.
Are we using our bare hands?
Yep.
Alright.
Like we're at boiling crab. I'm gonna turn off the camera because it's gonna get dirty. Out of wash it from off.
The aftermath.
The aftermath.
This bitch can peel her shrimp like it ain't nothing.
And she's still
She'll be like,
eating.
wham, 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 wham.
You need your too?
Hi, Steve. Meet Steve. Hello.
I haven't even shaved and stuff.
Oh my gosh, you can't even see it from here.
This is how you eat the shrimp. First, you open the door, and it comes out, and then you suck it.
When we do
You're welcome. Suck the head.
When are we doing a little excursion?
Okay, that's it.
No.
Huh?
Huh?
When are we doing a little excursion?
To where?
I don't know. Somewhere not too far.
Now we're doing lashes.
It's a ghost.
Touch up. Alright.
I was gonna do selfie with us.
Oh. Alright, so that's it for today. My camera's about to die, so I'm about to get ready to go to bed. Well, before that, I'm gonna charge this upload and try to post, because it's been a while for my YouTube has not been having any action. Right. Yeah. Stay tuned. Maybe I might post more if I feel productive. Thanks for watching.